Hi guys, in this video I would like to show to you how to install Windows 7 on VMware. Okay, first of all we open the VMware and also click create new virtual machine. Yes. And then click custom or depend on your prefer. Okay, now if you have CD-ROM, you click on CD-ROM. If you have ISO, you click ISO. Okay, now I choose Windows 7 on my drive that I already download. Okay, click open, and then yes, you need, and then you can complete the information below. If you have the serial number, yes. If you don't have, you can keep it blank. Okay, you can complete the information below. Yes. But if you don't want, you can keep it blank, and also you can complete it in the next time. Okay. Okay, now I done to fill it. Now I click need. Okay, click need, and then I write the write the name. Yes, to remember, and also I install the location beside drive C, because my drive C is full space right now. I decide to install on drive D location. Okay, now I write the word. Okay, the word visual drive. Okay, too easy for me to store this creator. Okay. When we install VMware, we'll be create the drive, yes, the file on VMware. Okay, now click need. Okay, you choose the I click on it, need again. Okay, need. Okay, wait for a few minutes now. Will create your partition on the VMware. Okay, now done. Now start turn on the window. Okay. Now the screen will pop up like that. Yeah. Now, okay. Windows 7. Okay, start up. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Okay, now nearly completed. Yes. It shows the screen. Now I complete the computer name. Yes. On this you can complete your computer name. You have to write the name that you easy to understand, to remember and understand. Okay, click it. Okay, uncheck and ask me letter and home. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Okay. Okay, nearly finished. Wait. Okay, now my video has been to the end. Thank you very much for your taking time, and also if you like my video, please give me a thumb up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. And my name is Marvin. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. អរគុណច្រើនមែនទែនសម្រាប់ការតាមដានទស្សនានៅវីដេអូមួយនេះហើយសម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលចូលចិត្តនៅវីដេអូមួយនេះសូមកុំភ្លេចជួយ like ក៏ដូចជា subscribe ហើយដាក់ notification ដើម្បីរំឲ្យរំលងខកខាននៅវីដេអូបន្តទៀតគណៈពេលនេះដែរខ្ញុំ Marvin បាទសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា